If you're fed up with the endless back-and-forth emails just to find a meeting time, you're not alone. Calendly promises to simplify scheduling, but does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into what it does well, where it stumbles, and whether it's worth your time or your dollars. Calendly has become almost synonymous with modern meeting scheduling, and with good reason. We'll walk through its key features, the latest pricing plans, what users love, what frustrates them, and who it's really best for. Think of Calendly as a personal assistant in your inbox. Whether you're sharing a one-on-one link or managing complex team schedules, Calendly handles availability, integrations, and automated reminders so you don't have to. It's trusted by millions, including a huge chunk of Fortune 500 companies, and connects directly with your calendars and conferencing tools. Pricing plans and what you get. Here's how the plans break down. Free, great to start, one event type, one calendar, basic integrations, booking page, and mobile access. Standard $10 a month per user, adds unlimited event types, connect up to 6 calendars, remove branding, and offers integrations like Stripe, PayPal, MailChimp, HubSpot, Zapier, and more. Teams, $16 a month per user, adds team features like round-robin scheduling, Salesforce integrations, advanced admin controls, and lead routing. Enterprise, from around $15,000 a year, includes SSO, domain control, audit logs, data APIs, dedicated support, and advanced CRM routing, tailored for large organizations. Annual billing gives discounted rates, and for larger teams, per-seat costs decrease automatically as you scale. What users love. Effortless setup. Connect your calendar, set availability, share a link, you're done. Great integrations. From Zoom to Salesforce to Stripe, Calendly plugs into your existing tech stack. Automation, confirmation messages, buffers between meetings, reminders, all rolling automatically. Team scheduling made easy. Team members share a single link while round-robin assignments balance workload automatically. Trusted and secure, compliant infrastructure, and widely adopted, giving peace of mind and reliability. Where it can fall short. Limited branding. Customizing the look and feel of your booking page is basic, unless you're on a higher tier. Cost adds up. As your team grows, monthly charges can climb steeply, especially once extra features or add-ons enter the mix. Occasional glitches. A few users report sync mishaps or extensions acting up, especially with Outlook. GDPR concerns. As a US-based tool, European users may need to tread carefully around data compliance and privacy. Calendly is your go-to if you want a no-friction, scalable scheduling assistant, especially if you need team coordination or seamless CRM/tool integrations. But if you're big on custom branding, tight budgets, or European data regulations, you might want to shop around for a tool that aligns better with those needs. To wrap up, Calendly is the smooth operator of scheduling, quick to use and packed with useful features. Just be mindful of pricing if things get bigger. If this review helped you decide, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What setup are you trying to simplify? Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.